Welcome to Baker Fare. I'm Pika. Welcome back. I had a few friends ask about a recipe if I've ever tried it, and I said, you know what? I have never tried it. You know, the viral chocolate mousse that's just water and chocolate, which you just put in a blender, and supposedly it turns into mousse. I don't understand how that happens. Anyway, I figured I'd try it out. So let's try it. It says to take a cup of chocolate chips. I use just regular dark chocolate. It's got to be like 70% chocolate or 70% cocoa. And you're just going to dump that in along with 1 2/3 cup of cold water. That's the part I don't understand, how this is going to turn into chocolate mousse with cold water. I feel like it's not going to work. One and 2/3. Put the glasses on so I can see. No, 1/3. It's 1/3 cup. 1 1/3. Oh, that's what glasses are for, you know. It really stinks getting older, that's for sure. Anybody out there that's as old as I am? I don't know. It's not easy getting old. It's not easy. Okay, there's 1/3. And then I'm supposed to put it on. You're supposed to blend it for 2 minutes. And supposedly it's going to turn into chocolate mousse after you put it in the refrigerator overnight. So here I go. At this point, I'm going to call it done because it's not really doing anything. Maybe if I put it in the refrigerator, it will do what it's supposed to do, because right now it's just very liquidy. It's very, very liquidy. So we'll see what happens. It's very liquidy. I don't know how people are saying that this works. Does it work? I don't know. It doesn't look like it works. It looks like it's just chocolate. I don't know. Anyway, it made two of these, and I'll come back tomorrow and give you an update. These are going in the fridge. Well, it's been over 24, well no, it's been overnight, and I finally got the mousse out, supposedly. Let's see how it tastes. This is what it looks like. It's actually very moussey now that I'm looking at it. See it? Let's try it. Wow. I never would have thought. I was saying that it was too liquidy. It's actually very airy. Wow. That's impressive. I actually can't believe it. It's water and chocolate. And then I added cream to this one, but it did not set up with the cream. See how it's moving back and forth? So it doesn't work with cream, but I bet it still tastes good. So I'm going to move it around a little bit and see what happens. It's more like a chocolate milkshake. See? So now my friends know, and you know, that this is interesting. Oh, this is good. This is delicious. It's like a milkshake. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and a like and subscribe, please. Or don't. It's up to you. And ciao.